We have a kind of international architectonical language, which is boring if you go from city to city, and you always have the same answer.
Today, a lot of construction developments, they went immediately in the decision, we do it out of concrete, which is strange because now politically-wise, concrete, for instance, is under pressure.
It's when you work with this material, you need to be so you can do whatever you want. It's not so free than if you use the concrete.
Heutzutage mit dem Betonieren, man kann theoretisch am Morgen betonieren, am nächsten Tag kann man die Wände schon wieder ausschalen.
Because the concrete, you can trust it because it's all industrial filière, so you don't have to adapt to the natural of the material.
But we also enjoyed this because it was linked quite easily also to this form-driven research what we did on a certain way. So it was a playful material, which is maybe also linked to this kind of digital tools on there.
L'industrie du béton ou du ciment a beaucoup investi au niveau des hautes écoles, au niveau des écoles d'ingénieurs.
Today it's much more easier to find an engineer who's doing the calculation for a concrete wall. He knows how to do it, the programs are there. But to ask somebody to take responsibility for a, let's say, stone wall, even to find somebody who's doing a calculation on an old wooden structure. So there's not a lot of engineers, they're doing that. Sometimes the knowledge is not more there, because, or it was not developed because the industry was not pushing that.
Par contre, maintenant, on voit qu'au niveau des architectes, au niveau des maîtres d'ouvrage, il y a une volonté de revenir sur des produits plus naturels, des produits plus proches de la nature. Et puis là, on sent maintenant un retournement.
Beton ist ja eigentlich nichts Schönes. Also die aus den 70er Jahren, die Betonbauten, die sehen ja heute schrecklich aus. Und das hat jetzt der hinterletzte Bauherr auch gemerkt, ja.
First, we have to come back to a kind of diversity in the material much more. That we're more able to, let's say, to experiment. And you have to stop to produce this kind of, like, for instance, here, reinforced concrete, it starts to scratch here because you have this fiber reinforcement and then it's shitty. But you were choosing this table to provoke me. Okay.